Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a beautiful and nutritious vegetable, striped eggplant, also known as brinjal. You may have seen the purple or white ones, but this variety stands out with its unique stripes and amazing health benefits. Striped eggplants are not just pretty, they're packed with flavor. Their skin is thin and tender, and the flesh is mild and slightly sweet. This variety grows well in warm climates and is a favorite in many home gardens due to its attractive look and high yield. Eggplants are low in calories and rich in nutrients. They contain fiber, vitamins B1 and B6, potassium, and antioxidants like niacin, which supports brain health. The fiber helps with digestion, while antioxidants protect your cells from damage. Eating eggplant may also help manage blood sugar and cholesterol level. You can grill, roast, stir-fry, or stuff them. In many cultures, eggplant is used in curries, salads, and even dips like baba ganoush. Striped eggplants hold their shape well in cooking, making them perfect for layered dishes like lasagna or baked casseroles. So, whether you're growing it in your garden or picking it up at the market, striped eggplant is both a nutritious and eye-catching addition to your meals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy food facts.